Hello my creative friends, welcome to Fatema's Art Show. Today I just want to give you some creative ideas on different things you could do in your garden. My garden has gone through a transformation. It was an absolute mess and needed a change, and I did lots of little different creative things, and I just wanted to share those things with you, and I hope you enjoy this episode. This is how my garden looked like before. First of all, I took a wooden pellet and I took the pieces in the middle off and painted it. Here's my little helper helping me paint it, and I chose some colours that I like. Some nice light pastel colours I thought would look really great and give the garden a bit of colour. Here's some spinach and lettuce I grew in it. Then the second one is cutting off some holes in a bucket. It's a really easy hack, and you can make some lovely plant pots that are nice and large. And here we are planting some raspberries in the pot and just placing it carefully in there. We're just thinking about the layout of how we're going to put plants, where we're going to put them. It's a bit tricky because we're not sure where they're going to go, and don't know if that's going to be good there, but anyway, maybe create some sort of pattern of some kind as well, so it's kind of attractive. So you've got primrose, lavender. Let's see. This was the garden transformation, and here's how I placed the flowers together. And there you go. Sometimes I like to change it up a bit, and every year I put new flowers in the bedding. This is this year. So the lavender has grown, and here's some new flowers I placed this year too. This is an insect house, and here's some artwork I actually made a while back, but they're really nice in the garden. I find them to be very beautiful and add a lot of lovely colour and a splash of art. Here's a fairy house we bought from Poundland, would you believe it? Each piece was £1. You can also get creative and make these if you want. And the garden's doing really well. We're planting lots of different things. Here's some corn on the cob, and also some tomatoes I planted. And here is also courgettes. This year I planted some courgettes, and it was so yummy, and I really loved gardening and creating a garden where you can grow crops and eat them, and it's just so much fun and so educational for the kids also. Here's some chili, and yeah, it's just overall just lots of different things. Thank you very much for watching, and I just wanted to share this with you. Thank you. Don't forget to click the like button. Bye.